makwezokuthiwa kukhona umuntu okuthiwa uminister kodwa uyena othumela abantu abobulala abantu ngake nakuzwa lokho izigebengu
Sanibonani ninjani. Hope you guys are good. Please make sure you subscribe on the channel and then you leave a comment. So we all know that everything is upside and down in South Africa because General Mkhwanazi opened a can of worms. So now we have arrest left and right, suspension left and right. You know, Gobi. But turns out now some of the politicians have seen an opportunity, to come in. Apparently, former President Jacob Zuma is said to have met with Bheki Cele and Zweli Mkhize, to try and stop an investigation into police corruption. The three are accused of holding a secret meeting to stop the commission of inquiry, the one that is set by Cyril Ramaphosa. The commission was announced last week and will look into deep corruption in the police and tenders. Some believe it could expose top politicians and their close friends. As Sosiga Iti, Jacob Zuma and Cele are worried that the commission will show who is really behind the corruption, and it may not be Minister Senzo Mchunu. The plan is to push the president to remove Mchunu, and then Mchunu, because has been leading a cleanup inside the police. This includes the arrest of that top cop, Lieutenant General Khumalo, who was linked to Ilentuzane. Was linked to Bheki Cele. Remember, Bheki Cele was the Minister of Police. Mchunu has said he's not afraid to be investigated by this inquiry, and apparently he supports it because he believes that he is transparent. He also recently added several police station lists, to Sandak and Amalisa Mapoisa, which were making few people rich, and those leads some buildings as in the way Bheki Cele. So then sakanjalo ke uZweli Mkhize ke na uthi nje no uyaphika ke na uma ngetaba uthi nje akazi ahlangane nomholi we MK President Jacob Zuma, uthi futhi akazi ahlangane noBheki Cele lokuthi kuphekwe itulo lokugenqonqongqosho wamaphoyisa uMnumzane Senzo Mchunu, nokuthi futhi kuhlashaze le committee lelo. What is this guy Mkhize amangala wahlaza ngoba yena akazi abe nalomhlangano futhi ayikho into engemenza afuna ukuphazamisa le committee. Kodwa abanye abathi no, uLentuzane, uBheki Cele noZuma noMkhize bafuna ukuthi uRamaphosa angamsuspendi nje uMchunu, akavela amxoshe, ukuze kuncipha amathuba akhe ukuthi abe ngumongameli kaKhongolo solandelayo, ngoba apparently kungenzeka uMchunu ukuthi abe umongameli. So leya kaMkhize ifuna ukuthi kube yona ezoba umongameli olandelayo. And futhi baphinde basaba nokuthi ke uBheki Cele uzongena enkingeni ngoba kunamathenda izigidi asusa umsindo emaphoyiseni, and lawo mathenda lawo ayekhishwa ubani? uBheki Cele. Bathi ke uMkhize imbangi enkulu kaSenzo Mchunu njengoba kubhekwe engqongqotheleni yokukhetha ubuholi bukazwelonke baka-ANC bango-2027 kuzoba nengqongqothela ke ANC lesiyazi sonke bakhona every year. So ke lo mhlangano abawubamba ke bawubambela ukuthi uMchunu akavela axoshwe ukuze angabi khona. uZuma yena ufuna axoshwe ukuthi naye wayene corruption ngalesikhathi esawu president. uBheki Cele ke yena naye ufuna axoshwe ke uMchunu ngoba uyazi nje kade ephethe amaphoyisa nje ubebezenzela. And recently uBheki Cele uke wavuma ukuthi uVusikhethe Mahlala lo boshiwe wake walala nje ngisho ukulala endlini yakhe, and the question is ulala kanjani endlini esigebengu ube ucommissioner wamaphoyisa. So ngenzeka ukuthi uMchunu is not quite innocent, but also he's not that corrupt as they are saying.